Yeah, now we are entering into theory of equations. Next exercise 4b. Whatever the thing is there here, the complete from this exercise, the agenda is here. If you go for any quadratic equation or a cubic equation, our agenda is to find the roots, to find roots or zeros. Okay. Any case, example, let us. I'll try to talk with you. Let us second order equation you can take. Suppose 2x square plus 3x plus 2 is the example. This is second order equation. What are the how many roots you'll get? Two roots you'll get. You can
Two
solve.
roots.
That is our duty. We have different methods. You can use quadratic formula. I can use a factorized method. I can use perfect square method. A number of methods are there for a quadratic equation. Now we are entering to theory of equations, higher orders. Now you people are seeing the third order equation. Let us say x cube some 2x square minus 3x plus 8 is equal to 0. This third order equation we cannot solve directly. First of all, we go for trailer and error method. Trailer and error method, we can find a one root. By using this root, applying a method, then you find out third order equation into second order equation. Then second order equation you can find I like this like I like the previous one, quadratic equation methods. The second order equation, after getting second order, I don't ask he has to use quadratic factorization, quadratic formula. I don't ask. Whatever the method you're comfortable, you can do it out. That is what agenda here. Am I clear? Next,
Yes, sir.
in this chapter, when you're finding a roots, they will give some conditions, some questions. They will give some clues. According to the clues, you'll get answers some little bit faster. If you go fourth order, fifth order, some clues they'll give. You have to working on that. How the clues, how should be working on that? That you have to see. Okay, right.
Yes.
Then before entering into the exercise, I need to discuss something else for you. Progressions. How many types of progressions, Nano? Three types of progressions we have. Number one is arithmetic progressions. Arithmetic progressions. This is the 10th class chapter. Arithmetic progressions. Arithmetic progressions means
Yeah.
AP shortcut. What is the arithmetic progressions? The series which should have a constant distance difference. Suppose A. Next time also A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 4D, 3D, up to so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. Am I clear? This is a series. So if you want to find out nth term,
Yes, sir.
Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Sn means how can you write n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, this is the case. So here I know
Yes, sir.
I am not supposed to touch all these things here. Basic A will start A plus D. If you want to go A minus D also we can write. A minus 2D also we can write. Options are yours. Okay, clear it.
Yes, sir.
Incorrect ముందుకు రాయొచ్చు. A minus 2D కూడా రాయొచ్చు. Just I'm writing. So this is a series sequence. If anybody asking what is the AP sequence means, we have to write A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D. ఎట్లైనా రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఎక్కడి నుంచి అయినా ఎక్కడికి. అక్కడ you are comfortable.
Yes, sir.
If you want to take this three, if you want to do this three options are yours. You can move like any three terms you can take and do it working out your questions. So AP means A comma A plus D, A minus D, or else A minus D, A plus D, A minus 2. The options are yours. You can do and move forward. So this is AP sequence will move. Am I clear it? Next, we'll
Yes,
go
sir.
to the second progression here. GP, geometric progressions. Geometric progressions. Geometric progressions. GP. So something I wanted to say to you in the AP, I think you are very masters in the AP, right? Your 10th class, you are a toppers. So here thing is
Yes,
what
sir. Yeah.
arithmetic progressions. The condition for AP means what? Condition for AP. Condition
For
for AP.
finding any
A common difference is must be same. Nothing but T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Am I clear? It? Or they
yes,
are
sir.
telling A0, A1, A2. It common difference must be same. That is what the condition.
Yes.
Okay. Let us take this minus this, D will come. This minus this, D will come. So D is equal to T. Common difference is same. General selling. Like similarly, a geometric progression. The condition for geometric progression is second term by first term, third term by second term. The ratio of second term to first term, the ratio of third term to
Yes,
second
sir.
term must be same. Job GP. I think you don't have a syllabus. I think I was expecting in the intermediate 10th class. Now you take it out. GP means the ratio of the second term to first term is equal to third term to second term. Previously, AP means difference T2 minus T1, T3 minus T2. Here, T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2. Yeah, this is division. Yeah. This is what GP. Okay, this is GP condition. Next, series means what? How the series will be there? A by R, A, AR square, like this will come. Yeah, like that it will keep on going on there. A R power n, nth term. Okay. So example, this by if you wanted to this by this you do A by R ఏమైతది? A by R. A cancel, answer is R. Then AR by A ఏమైతది? AR by A means A cancel, R will come. R equal to R. Common difference is R. అంటే కామన్ రేషియో. కామన్ రేషియో అంటారు. ఏపీలో కామన్ డిఫరెన్స్ అంటారు. కామన్ రేషియో మస్ట్ బి సేమ్. A by R. R will come. AR by A will come. AR square by R will come. AR cube by AR square, R will come. Everywhere the common ratio must be same. That is GP. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So for your intermediate here requirement is what the series at how the series will be there. You can take any terms A, comma A, AR square
up to
AR cube. This is what A by AR cube square, A by AR cube. Each term options are used. This is a series. You take from starting to ending anywhere. You can take continuous. This is a GP. This is a AP series. Next, third progression is there. That is third one. Harmonic progression. Third one. HP. HP means harmonic progression. This harmonic progression is inverse of arithmetic. HP they can call it as. This you can call it as inverse of AP. Inverse of arithmetic progressions. So let us I'll take series. I'll write how the series will be 1 by A, 1 by A plus D, 1 by A plus 2D. If you go back 1 by A minus D, the series should be like this. Like this is going on there. Okay.
Yes.
So some equation is in terms of AP. For example, I'll say one clue for you. How can you apply your exams? Suppose if f of x is there, f of x is equal to some x square plus 3x plus 2. Your f of x is in AP. Example, your f of x in AP. If you want to convert f of x AP in convert it to HP. F of x is there in AP. If you wanted to f of x to HP, you have to do simple. What you has to do? Just x is replaced by 1 by x. F of x is replaced by f of 1 by x. So 1 by x whole square, 3 into 1 by x plus 2. This is now in HP. If f of x is in AP, that f of x you wanted to change into HP, you have to substitute x replaced by 1 by x. Am I clear? The AP equation is converted into HP.
So once again,
Suppose f of x is a question. This f of x is the people are telling is in AP.
yes, sir.
F of x is in AP. This AP is converted into HP. Am I clear? This a function is in AP. If you wanted the function into the HP,
Yes, sir.
you has to do f of x is replaced by f of 1 by x. At x ఉన్న దగ్గర 1 by x పెట్టాలి. You need to replace by 1 by x.
Yes, sir. Got it.
You can do it out. This equation is comes now HP. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes.
I think you're very clear. The rest of the things you can do as usual. HP, GP,
Yes.
and AP. These three things are very, very important. This should not be available anywhere. Please be noted down.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Now we are entering into our questions, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now take your exercise question 4B. Let us take a first question, Hanan. What is the first question here? First you take, can you read the problem?
Solve.
First,
Yes, sir. Solve x cube minus 3x square minus 16x plus 48 equals to 0. Given that the sum of two roots is 0.
okay. The thing is what they're asking solve. Solve means what the order of equation 3. Order of equation means the equation will possessing a roots, 3 roots, alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, you need to find out alpha, beta, gamma.
Yes,
That
sir.
is okay. They mentioned one condition. I think without making any condition, first you have to apply trial and error method. We move forward. That is general procedure. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
But here they mention
Yes,
some condition. If they mention condition, the finding the roots little bit easy. What they mention
Sum of
condition,
two roots is 0.
given condition. You need to take given condition. But the given sum of two roots is 0. Sum of two roots is 0.
Yes.
So sum of two roots means 0 means here what you have to do. So alpha plus beta is equal to 0. This is the condition we
0.
have to do it. Okay, this is a condition. Okay, so let us. This is what
Yes.
the question they mentioned. Nothing I did of. Just I was enter into this here. Sum of the roots is 0. Clear? Now you have to work your own.
Yes.
Now I should ask for you. What is the value of S1? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. How much answer here?
3.
Minus of minus 3.
sir.
Answer is 3. Okay. For what they mentioned, alpha plus beta is equal to what? 0. Am I clear? Just I substituted. 0 plus gamma
Yes.
is equal to what? 3. What's the gamma is equal to? Am I clear? So
Yes, sir.
without doing any trial and error method, they given one clue. By using that clue, I got one answer. One root easily. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Once one root is third order equation, once one root is over, the findings to other two roots very simple. How to use? Just a Heron's method is there that you can do that. Yesterday was regular problems I was explained. Let us take a question. What is the question? X cube minus 3x square. You people should work as parallel with me. Time will save to you. Okay. What is the root here? One root is x is equal to 3 you got, right? Now one root
Yes,
is over. Nothing but alpha is equal to 3, nothing but x is equal to 3. One root is over. After that, how to find? Take constant 1 minus 3 minus 16, 48. After this, you can take it out. If you are very first time, once again you listen. First 3 is there, right? You have route to 3 here. Default value is 0. Default value is 0.
0.
After that, you should work it out. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Then after that, 3 into 1. Answer is 3. Minus 3 plus 3, 0.
0.
Next 3 into 0,
3 into 3. 0.
0. Minus 16.
Minus 16.
Minus 16 into 3, minus 48. Okay?
Yes. 0.
Answer is 0. Ending answer must be 0. Then only your root
Yes,
is correct. Otherwise, answer is wrong. After that, the thing is finished.
Yes, sir.
Now your third order equation, you are convert into second order. How to write? 1 into x square plus 0 into x minus 16 is equal to 0. Clear? So this I can
Yes, sir.
write x
Clear, sir.
square minus 16 is equal to 0. This you need to do that much of very heavy risk. I think x square is equal to 6. X is equal to 16. Root 16. X is equal to plus or minus 4. So x is equal to 4 and minus 4. Now you got other two roots also. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So what are the things? The first case, gamma is equal to 3. Now let us take alpha is equal to 4, beta is equal to minus 4.
Minus 4.
I think you wanted to check your answers are correct. One thing they told, sum of the two roots is 0. Minus 4 plus 4, answer is 0. Your answers are correct. Am I clear? Now alpha is 4,
Yes, sir.
beta is minus 4, gamma is 3. Your answer is finished. Because they're asking solve. Solving means once you're finding roots is more than enough to you. Am I clear? It's please make it out fast.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yeah, sorry to something else sites. Okay. Right, shall I move to next question?
Yep.
Next, move to next one. Next question. Just analysis is required. Second question. Read the question.
Find the condition that x cube minus px square plus qx minus r equals to 0. may have the sum of roots of its roots 0.
They are
He's saying
expecting
may
one
have
condition.
means chances are sir.
No, may have, it is already, it is there. May have some of the roots. Ante, if the roots are 0, what is the
They are
condition?
expecting, yes, sir.
Yeah. Let us I'll write
Yes.
equation x cube minus px square plus qx minus
Yes,
r is equal to 0. This is the equation.
Yes.
They are asking if the roots are, if sum of the roots is 0, if sum of the roots is 0, what is the condition?
Okay.
What is the condition of equation? Okay. So your thing is very
Then not-
simple. First, we need to find out the roots.
Yes, sir.
What is the third order equation? What are the roots? Alpha, beta, gamma.
Beta, gamma.
I told you many times, any question is there. First, you find out S1, S2, S3, which is comfortable
Yes,
to you.
sir.
ఇక్కడ మనకి sum of the
Yes.
roots 0 అయితే
Minus 1p.
S1 is enough. Alpha plus
Yes.
beta plus gamma is equal to P. Okay. Alpha
Yes,
plus
sir.
beta is 0. Then gamma is equal to what? Gamma is answer P. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
So
sir.
you got one root, right?
Yes, sir.
So here the question is, what is the alpha beta gamma? It is not a question to find out alpha beta gamma. They are asking
So
what is the condition. So I feel it is gamma is root, right? Once alpha plus beta is 0, what's the value of gamma? P.
P.
ఇక్కడ మనకు number, if they mention numbers, answer should be numbers. Here they mention PQRs, the answer must be in terms of PQR only. So gamma is equal to what? P. So what is the concept here? Gamma is equal to P is a root for equation. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Gamma is equal to P
Clear.
is a 0 of our equation. So if our gamma is equal to P is a 0 of equation, means gamma is equal to P, you substitute, the equation becomes 0. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So I feel it is gamma is equal to P. So I'll substitute x is equal to P in the equation. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Let us take a question. F of x is equal to x cube minus px square plus qx minus r is equal to 0. Am I clear? So I got x
Yes.
is equal to P. Just now I got one answer. I want to substitute f of P is equal to, what is it here?
P.
P
P
cube
cube minus P into
into
P
P square.
x square plus Q into P minus R equals
0.
to-
So here, what is the thing will going to happening here? P cube minus P cube plus P cube minus R. This is cancel, right?
Yes, sir.
So P
PQ
cube
minus
minus
R equals
R
to 0.
is equal to 0. This is a condition.
Okay, sir.
Here they're asking condition. That's all. Rest of all are free.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear, right?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yeah. Next, we'll move on to that next thing here.
Third question.
It's little important. Read the third question.
Given that the roots of x cube plus 3p x square plus 3qx plus r equals to 0 are in first case AP show that 2p cube minus 3qp plus r equals to 0.
Please wait. Please wait enough. This is a equation, third order equation, which is having a roots alpha, beta, gamma. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If your roots alpha, beta are in AP. Okay. Given roots are,
Yes, sir.
given equation roots are, alpha, beta roots are in AP. The roots are in arithmetic progression. You has to show that. That means you need to prove that 2pq minus 3pq plus r is equal to 0. Am I clear?
Yes.
This is a condition you need to prove. It's very simple. So what you has to do is, first of all, roots ఎలా ఇచ్చారు? Alpha, beta, gamma అన్నారు. Okay. 3 roots. So 3 roots are in where? AP లో ఉన్నాయి కదా roots.
Yes.
So let us take how the AP series. I'll
A
take
plus D, A plus 2D.
I'll take my convenient. There are 3 roots in AP. One is A minus D. It is alpha. A is in beta. A plus D in gamma. Do you have any problem?
No, sir.
You can take anyone. I don't want to touch you.
Yes.
This I will take for my convenient. Okay. This I will take.
Yes.
Assumption is. Next, I'm trying to go for S1. S1 means what? Alpha plus beta plus gamma, right? So
Yes.
alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to how much? Minus 3p.
Yes.
Am I clear? Till any doubt?
No, sir.
So here dd cancel. 3a is equal to 3p minus 3p. 3 cancel. A is equal to how much? A is equal
Yes.
to you got minus p. Okay. A is equal to minus p means what is understood by A?
Beta.
A is beta. So beta is equal to what? Minus p. Okay.
P. Yes.
So if one root I got, right? If one root I got means they are asking a condition. They are asking to show that. So I feel it is beta is a root for equation. What I should do here? I wanted to substitute the beta is equal to minus p in your equation. Equation becomes 0. That is our main agenda. Am I clear, right?
Yes.
So is it going to 0 or not? I'll check it out. Later I'll take f of x is a question. F of x is equal to what? X cube 3p x square 3q x plus r. Okay.
Yes.
Just now we got x is equal to minus p because the value of beta. This equation should
Beta.
satisfy, right?
Yes, sir.
So f of minus p. Substitute here. Minus p
Minus
cube.
P cube minus 3P into P square. Yes, sir. Minus P. Yes. Minus P cube plus 3.
This resultant is plus 2p cube minus 3pq plus r is equal to 0 because this is what the needed condition, right? Please check the answer.
Minus.
That show that they are asking the condition that only, right? Here. Yeah,
Yes.
that is what the
Yes.
thing. Now is clear?
Minus 3 volt. Yes, sir.
Okay.
One. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Move to the next second case. What the equation are in GP, right? Second method.
sir.
Second, the alpha, beta, gamma are in GP, geometric progression. If
The third bit answers in case the back.
yeah,
Only 1 to 4 he gave.
yeah,
Only 1 to 4 questions only he gave, sir.
yeah,
Answers.
he will not give any answer. This is a proof, right? Already question it is
Yes,
there.
sir.
Question it is you need to prove. He
Same
will not
proof
give
he
any.
proved.
Yeah, how to find the answer? Answer will not available. Already it is there.
Yes.
You need to prove. That's all. Okay.
Yes.
Move to the second one. It is alpha, beta, gamma is GP. The GP means I'll take alpha is equal to A by R, beta is equal to A, gamma is
A.
equal to AR. I'll take.
Yes. Sir.
Okay. For this,
Yes.
for question it is
Alpha,
that
beta,
take S3 is equal to what? Alpha into beta into gamma, right? S3.
Yes, sir.
I'll take S3.
A by R
A by R into A into AR. RR cancel. What is S3 value in the question?
3A. S3 value.
S1 is minus 3p.
Yes, sir.
This is minus 3p. S1.
Yes, sir.
S2 3q. S3 minus R.
Yes.
Am I clear?
Minus.
So
Clear.
the answer is minus R. So minus R. So what is this here? A cube is equal to
Minus R.
A is equal to. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
This A is equal to minus R power 1 by 3. You has to substitute in your question. You'll get answer.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
That is your duty to substitute A is equal to minus R in your f of
Yes,
x. You can find
Yes,
your
sir, I
requirement of proof. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'll move to next question. Third one.
HP.
Third is there HP. Third one. Alpha, beta, gamma are in HP.
Yes, sir.
This question I will not introduce the HP series 1 by A. I'll take little easy. How can I move means? I'll take f of x is a question. What is the question here? X cube plus 3p x square plus 3qx
3QA plus R equals
This is f of x. I
Yes.
wrote f of x is 0. So this is f of x which is in AP. What they're telling, AP will got roots alpha, beta, gamma. Okay, right?
yes, sir.
If I wanted to do this question in HP, what I have to do? I'll convert this question into HP means I'll do f of x, x tends to 1 by x. This whole question I'll convert into HP. Am I clear? This question is in AP. I wanted to
Yes, sir.
convert this question into HP. I can
HP.
use x tends to 1 by x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
F of 1 by x is equal to 1 by x whole cube 3p 1 by x.
Whole square.
Am I clear? Okay.
Sir.
This you simplify, then you make it to 0, then you simplify that, you are going to get the equation. It should be like
2q
this.
Yes.
How much?
2q cube is equals to R into 3pq
yeah.
minus.
The final answer you are going to get r, that is rx cube, right? Rx cube
Yes, sir.
3q x square plus 3px plus 1 is equal to 0. This is what you are going to get. Okay. Now
Yes.
this is a question f of 1 by x. This is a question. Now it question is what? HP.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear, H?
Yes.
Or we can take one more way also. Other way also I can say to understand what they're telling. This if it is in HP, what is the roots they're asking? Am I clear? This question equation roots. This equation is in HP. What are the roots they're asking? What if equation is in HP? The roots are so and so. What is the condition they mention?
Yes, sir.
The other way also you can take. The question is in HP. You're converted the HP question. You're converted to AP. Same procedure.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So now let us take if it is in AP. Okay. Previous question is in HP because they are telling this. My question is in first. Once again, I'll try to say yours. You can easily understand. First case enti. My question is in AP. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the condition? We're working on that. Okay. Second
Yes,
case,
sir.
my question is in
Yes.
GP. What is the roots? Third question, my question is in HP. Okay. What is the condition? Your question is in HP. I was converted your question HP question. I was converted into AP. Now treat it as this is in AP. Example. Okay.
Yes.
So I'll take a conversion of question into the AP. What is the latest question now? Rx cube 3q x square 3px1 is equal to 0. Now this is in AP example. HP converted to AP. Okay. So AP means I'll assumption same roots a minus d, a comma a plus d. Okay. Again apply
Yes,
S1.
sir.
DD cancel. 3a is equal to how much answer? S1 is equal to minus 3q. Okay. A is equal to how much? Minus q will come.
Yes.
3 cancel. A should not cancel with q. Okay. Answer is equal to A is equal to minus q. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
If A is equal to minus q, you need to substitute here, not your original equation, because this is converted AP equation. Okay. A
Yes,
is equal to minus q, substitute here. You will get one condition. That condition your expected question answer.
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
When you substitute A is equal to minus q in this answer will reflect to previous HP. This original one. Okay. Am I
Yes.
clear?
Clear.
So this is the way you can clear your things. Am I clear?
Clear.
So you got third condition also. So like that, if you substitute, you'll get third condition according to your textbook.
Yes.
Yeah. The next, which one to the next question?
Fourth one.
Yeah, we'll finish the bit, make it fast. Our time is very less. We'll make
Find
it
the
fast.
condition that x cube minus px square plus qx minus r equals to 0 may have the roots in GP.
Okay. This is the equation here. They are telling the roots are in GP. Please take it GP. GP roots and me A by R, A, AR.
A,
For
A.
this, which is a comfortable S1, S2, S3, which is a comfortable to get one root? S3 is comfortable because multiplication means you'll get A. So
Yes.
S3 means A by R, A into AR, RR cancel. S3 means what? Minus
A
P,
cube.
minus P equals plus P, minus Q, minus P means plus P, Q, minus R means plus R. Okay? Am I
Yes,
clear?
A
So
cube is
what-
equals to R.
A cube is equal to R. A is equal to what, Nana? R power 1 by 3. This R power 1 by 3, this one f of x. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You will get a condition according to your textbook. Okay, whatever the text here they mention
Yes, sir.
condition, you'll get some answer. This question you'll get answer like this: PQR is equal to QQ.
QQ.
Yeah, PQR is equal to QQ. This is answer you'll get.
Yes, sir.
So this is the way you can do that things for your convenient. Am I clear?
Clear, sir.
Yeah, right.